starting over in new places and really getting the chance to explore new environments. That has really helped me create more like confidence in myself. I've been working with very bright colors for a very long time. Finding a good balance between like cold and warm, having something that's darker, something that's lighter. So much connected to my gut feeling about colors. My whole childhood was very much filled with colors and things that I realized later in life has had a huge impact on the way that I work with art. Illustration and visual art was something that I always felt that I wanted to do as a career, but it took me a while to realize that it was something that I could do to support myself. First I studied more like fine art and thought that that might be like my path, my thing to do. But I felt like with that I was lacking working creatively to solve other people's problems. I would definitely describe myself as a digital artist. I do still experiment from time to time with like drawing things by hand, and I sketch by hand usually. But in the final work that I do, I definitely feel more comfortable working digitally. Having all the options that I can do there, quickly doing changes and creating the kind of shapes that I want. The project that I feel most proud about is probably the Bygone Badass Broads book. Mainly because it was my first big client project. I got a lot of like creative freedom doing it by working with like female history and both like learning a lot of things myself, but also getting the chance to share these stories with the rest of the world. Inspiration for me comes from a mix of different places. If I'm really stuck, I usually need to go out finding specific details, either if it's like a color combination or a specific shape that I find interesting. Everyone goes through the same kind of doubts. The path to finding your own style and your own way of creating yourself come through just doing a lot of artworks, but also just feeling what feels natural to you. What's your way of working? And when you have that, it's so much easier to both promote yourself and do work that you feel proud and inspired by yourself.